Have you ever wondered what would happen if our sun suddenly turned into a black hole? The answer might surprise you. Welcome to a cosmic thought experiment. Today, we explore the terrifying reality of a solar system without its light. Imagine the moment of transformation. The sun doesn't explode. Instead, it begins to collapse inward under its own massive gravity. In an instant, the brilliant light we rely on vanishes, replaced by a cold, pitch-black void known as a singularity. Around this void, a thin, warped ring of light, the accretion disk, begins to glow, bending the light of distant stars. You might think Earth would be instantly sucked in, but surprisingly, our orbit wouldn't change at all. Gravity depends on mass, not size. Since the sun's mass remains the same, its gravitational pull on the planet stays constant. We would stay in our orbit, but we would be orbiting a ghost. A tiny, incredibly dense point in space. How small? Well, the sun is over 1 million kilometers wide. This black hole would be just 3 kilometers across. That's roughly the size of a small town, yet it contains the weight of 330,000 Earths. Back on Earth, the first thing we would notice is the darkness. 8 minutes after the collapse, the last rays of sunlight reach us. The moon would vanish from our sky too. Without the sun to reflect, it would become invisible to the naked eye. Then comes the cold. Without the sun's energy, Earth's temperature would begin a steady, lethal decline. Within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing. Plants would stop photosynthesis and die off. Snow would begin to fall, not just at the poles, but in the tropics. The oceans would start to freeze from the top down. Humanity's only hope would lie deep beneath the surface, utilizing the internal heat of the Earth itself. Geothermal hotspots like Iceland would become the last refuges for life, providing heat and power in a frozen wasteland. But don't worry, this is purely hypothetical. Our sun simply doesn't have enough mass to ever become a black hole. Instead, it will one day become a red giant and eventually a white dwarf, keeping its light for billions of years. If you enjoyed this journey into the dark, make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-bending space explorations.